Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's doing okay and taking care of yourself. Appreciate you guys watching my videos. So I wanted to make a quick video on my 09 Ford F-150, mainly about the wheels. I'll show you guys the truck, but whenever I was getting these rims and tires, I had a hard time finding a video that'll show me if these rims and tires will fit a two-wheel drive. I did find a bunch of videos on the four-wheel drive, but on the two-wheel drive I had a hard time. So let me make a quick video for you guys, and at the same time we'll be making some crawfish, guys. All right. Kane, why are you so tired? Eat it. All right, here we got all the stuff we're gonna use for the boil. All right, guys, so we got our potatoes out already. And my wife wanted a lobster tail, so we're gonna do one lobster tail real quick. And then I think we're gonna go ahead and put the crabs already. That boy there. Check those bad boys out, guys. We're gonna season them and they'll be ready to eat. Let's eat them. You wanna do your videos? All right, guys, there it is. 2009 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. So if you guys have been watching, I never actually did a review on my old one, but it was a 2012 F-150 XLT. It was just, you know, XLT model. It was a Texas edition. It wasn't the 4x4 model. Neither is this one. So I actually always been a big fan of the King Ranch, and I got a real good deal on this one here. There's a dent here, so that's hence the deal that I got on it. And then also the sunroof doesn't open. So we got a company that's going to be fixing it. Hopefully in the next week or so. With all this going on, I'm not sure when they're going to be opening, but they're going to be fixing the damage. So you can see it here, and it didn't come like this. What I did to it is I added an antenna to it. I did all of the LED lighting inside, which I'll show you guys shortly, and I added the wheels. It's actually the, let's see, second set of wheels. I did have the newer style King Ranch wheels on it put on, and I got brand new tires on it. So I went to Firestone, got a set of tires. I didn't like how they fit, and then I got these wheels. So these are the fuel wheels. I can't remember the exact model. I'll find it and I'll put it in the description. And so you can see they're still a little dirty from when they've mounted the tires. It's not scratched or anything, they're brand new. And these are the Destination 275/65/20s. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of it. I love the King Ranch Edition just because of the interior. This interior was in pretty decent condition. I have been adding the King Ranch leather, I believe it's like a moisturizer, so it's helped it a whole bunch. One of my friends gave me the idea of doing that, and it's definitely helped it a lot. Has 140,000 miles, I believe so. And it has all the little bells and whistles. You guys can see the LED lights. And this is what I mean by the sunroof. So the headliner's hanging a bit and it doesn't quite open too well. Check out the LED lighting, guys. But we're gonna have a company, like I said, they're gonna be doing a repair, hopefully in 2 weeks. The interior is in pretty good condition. Another cool thing is that the guy that sold it to me, he actually gave me a brand new subwoofer for it. His son removed it, and I don't know, I guess he felt bad, so he called Ford and got me a brand new subwoofer put in there. It sounds really, really good. But we're gonna take it out for a drive here shortly, and you guys will see if the wheels rub. So this has, according to the owner that sold it to me, a 2-inch level lift in the front, and I believe a 1-inch in the back. Basically what it is stock 4-wheel drive height right now. So we'll take it out for a drive and I'll show you guys if it rubs or if it doesn't rub. As you can see, the tires are huge. I love these tires, and I love the actual wheels itself. I've always had a real aggressive wheel on my trucks, but you know, getting older and things are changing. I'm starting to like different styles, so I went ahead and I went with more of a, I guess what I'm trying to go is like a BOUGH look. So this is just a start, and let's take it out for a drive, guys, and you guys will see if it rubs or not. So we'll go for a quick ride so you guys can see how it drives with these rims and tires. You know, the rims aren't a big deal because they're actually 20 by 9s. Where I'm getting a little issues, and you guys will see right now, it's with the tires. So the tires fit and look great, but they are definitely rubbing. You guys are hearing it. It's mainly on the driver's side. Mainly when I'm turning the wheel to the right, you guys can see it there. Hopefully the GoPro picked up the, so you guys can hear it. So hopefully the GoPro picked that up. But when you're turning it to the left side, you're not having an issue. It's turning it to the right. Now once you're out on the road, there's no issue at all. It just rides and drives smooth. It's mainly when you're turning it to the right side. That's when we're having the biggest issue with it. But other than that, I mean, these tires, they ride really, really smooth. I was really surprised. Usually with an aggressive tire like this, you'll have a horrible ride or a very loud ride, but I'm not having that issue at all. You guys can see how it rides there. Hopefully my GoPro is picking it all up. I hooked it up to the frame itself. You guys can see that. But to answer the question, yes, it does definitely rub. I am gonna have to go with a little bit of a more aggressive lift. I've been debating between going with a 3.5 or a 4-inch lift. Simply because, I mean, I'm going for a 3.5, I might as well do the 4-inch. I know that Ready Lift has a 3.5-inch lift, and it's supposed to be pretty decent. So, these guys around 4-wheelers and their motorcycles, but it's supposed to be pretty decent. So that's what I'm thinking of going with. If I don't go with that, the other option is gonna be going with the 4-inch lift kit, and that kit, I believe MaxTrack has one. You can see it there, guys. Doing my turn, that's where I'm really having the issue. I can't even turn all the way around on the cul-de-sac. You guys can see it there. And it's mainly catching that bottom. It actually, I think it pulled off the little clip that's holding that bottom. But yeah, like I said, the next option would be the MaxTrack. MaxTrack makes a 4-inch lift. I think eBay has the whole Max Track 4-inch lift with the Bilstein's rear for under $1,000. So I'll just have to get it installed, or I'll do it myself if I can. The only thing is, I don't want to change out too much stuff. And I know on the Ready Lift, it's just the upper control arm, and then it has the spacer. So that's why I'm really debating and thinking about the 3.5, because I ever do want to sell it. You know, not everybody wants to lift the truck, so that's the only thing I'm thinking about. But I mean, the truck rides really well. It's just turning, and it's not too aggressive, but it's just turning when I'm starting to get that issue. I mean, it's still drivable, I guess, if you can deal with it. I try to drive my truck quite a bit, so I don't want to. Sorry about that, guys. So I don't want to have an issue with my trucks, you know. Sorry, guys. These little kids were playing around, and want to make sure I don't hit one of them. They're jumping all over the place. But yeah, guys, so like I said, I drive my trucks quite a bit, so I just don't want to have any issues with it. So I'm thinking that the Ready Lift is what I may go with. It's a couple $100 cheaper. I know it's lower than the 4-inch, but I mean, if I don't gotta modify too much, that may be something I go with. Plus, I know Ready Lift, I've used it in my F350 in the past, and I really liked it. And one of my buddies has it on his F250, and he enjoys it a lot too. So I may just go with that, just because of not just the name brand, but they've definitely done a great job in their product. So that may just be what I go with. You guys can. All right, so you guys saw that. So this is where the issue is. It's actually hitting right here, and actually caused this whole thing to loosen up. So hopefully it doesn't come off. But yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely get a lift. That's where I put the camera. So if any of you guys are interested in these tires, like I said, these are their Firestone Destinations. The MT2, actually. The thread is beautiful on these things. They look awesome. And the wheels, as you can see, they're dirty. They're not scratched or anything like that. They're brand new wheels. They're the Fuels 20x9s. So I guess the next thing we're gonna do on this is actually do the lift. Check out how the back stands. They look great. Definitely look really good. They're not too aggressive, like I said. I'm not a big fan of it anymore. I used to like the whole aggressive look on it, but I kind of like this look. As I got a little bit older, my style of wheel started changing a bit. I still like it, don't get me wrong. The deep lift looks really good. I probably will do it again on another vehicle, but for now on this one, this is a look I want to go with. There's the 300, guys. But yeah, there you have it, guys. 2009 F150 King Ranch 2-wheel drive. Like I said, the 4-wheel drive has a lot of videos, but on the 2-wheel drive, I personally couldn't find one. So all right, guys, well, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope I did answer all of your questions. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at the crawfish as well. But I will be making some more videos on the truck as we go along and do some more builds to it. Please let me know, guys, if you want to see anything else about the truck. But I did do the LED lights, all the interior. If you want to see that, you know, let me know. I'll show you guys all the lights and the kit that I got. Actually, I'll put a link to the LED kit that I got for all of my lights. They look really good, guys. So I'll show you guys on the next one. But again, please stay safe and take care of yourself, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.